But medical kasa or panishi and throw lusu 20 you know. Na second way no a year toss to say, where the me call me maybe a kind of quentia to me fa Ghana gold in Yamini no Monchamfa Montuto plane Monfa way Abusian Chamfa and a squad in the boss Agmana Abusia Muncheni Namingoria Bomina.
I'm pretty sure Pastor during that time and Uncle Kosoa no more Casemo party are buying Abusian Chamfa. I'm sure say you were not happy about it.
Oh, Obama, should I not say? Should I not say? Well, no more Samson, your number one. Mammy, say, Sassam, we are Mokan. There be number 3. I did when you would make Kaiser Rolling style. Maybe Rolling style. The Bussian is so. So when you kaya, Okodi Boni America. Nabem, if Ghana for 8, any of this society. Ghana, MPP are finding you. Kofo better to say pet. Kwame Adomako, he was an MP before his brother became president. JH Mensa Nakonta. Now in Kruma time crown, no appointment. No dear politics. What you say? Then what Trump said?
Abusia for me mamu nyina mo akwaba ediba Ghana nsem TV so bo mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel na turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature ba osonsa ebitima kabi na so watch the wadwen or comment section wasa say the munim ne femi Mr. President na me wasa me besom na if by chance de me ye ofe na person boan which are through number na wase no adaroma nsabeka na news today so ya nyina akoso ni beso pounds so. Now, another day, I came across a video and I'm watching on social media, and it took me barely 4 hours to watch the video over and over again. Now, me share video no. I decided me for free when say politicians are disappointed Ghana mabunu. They be make say when you earn the goodwill of the people and you fail to acknowledge the fact that you've won the goodwill of the people, as a result of that, you have to be so much principled with it, they will rebel at the right time. In Kadia Nebaya, I will say, youth of it, like youth or mind bimu, I don't more rebel politicians. Now, of a sudden, their wishes and their demands or the thing that they dream that they come to reality are only things of disasters.
But medical kasa or panishi and throw lusu 20 you know. Na second way no a year toss to say, where the me call me maybe a kind of quentia to me fa Ghana gold in Yamini no Monchamfa Montuto plane Monfa way Abusian Chamfa and a squad in the boss Agmana. I'm
pretty sure Pastor during that time and Uncle Kosoa no more Casemo party are buying Abusian Chamfa. I'm sure say you were not happy about it.
Oh, Obama, should I not say? Should I not say? Well, no more Samson, your number one. Mammy, say, Sassam, we are Mokan. That be number 3. I did when you would make Kaiser Rolling style. Maybe Rolling style. The Bussian is so. So when you kaya, Okodi Boni America. Nabem, if Ghana for 8, any of this society. Ghana, MPP are finding you. Kofo better to say pet. Kwame Adomako, he was an MP before his brother became president. JH Mensa Nakonta. Now in Kruma time crown, no appointment. No dear politics. What you say? Then what Trump say Kufwa buy? Yanhwe attach and busiani enso yi ni firim eto betimi aka bedi atu gabi no nka ho no atimi aka oforiata se sa no mo ka no dia ma me nkyerɛw me de metumira no ma kyerɛ si a metu ni so hwɛ o hwɛ Chief Justice Baafi money on Chief Justice na ne yere on so Patricia Baafi money Director General Prison Service o hwɛ Professor Joshua Alabi. I respect him so much. What are your board chair? Ghana Commercial Bank. Ghana Commercial Bank won't some obeti. On your baby and on your good banks. Back your good merchant bank. Where's your good Ghana Commercial? What your betting said? And what I'm saying, Nayiri on the UMAT or your cancer. And the back also so a deputy Mary Fair. All your fifty or a general secretary. Nayiri and the CBG Bank. Now we send this form called CBG. ya ba ya ye hunu say ya banks iguo no yan kika mbom ye no mudi ya teme ba ya general secretary yire e no ye pani ho MD Atufo finance minister ne brother sort yase the close friend Atufo
the close friend and as a brother
the close friend the brother so come eba Raymond Akwa on the technical advisor Minister of Finance ne don ko pa no Yansha President John Dramani Mama. Me ba President John Dramani Mama. Joyce Bauer ni busia ni pa nyenchen. We presidential yi. Ni cousin no. John Sharif Bauer also ye MD State House brother of Joyce Bauer. It's Mama cousin. Alhaji Wudu Muftari was CSC on a good chair saying husband of Joyce Bauer Mutari Boche CSA. Clara Bauer Atta CEO of Gifts. Sister of Joyce Bauer.
Okay. Samuel
O. Atta, MD, GMPC, Esploku, brother of John Mama. Callistus Mama, Executive Secretary, Mama's cousin. Alhaji Rashid Bauer, Bauer Rock Company, sole buyer of Ghana's gold to Gold Board. Odi Anutu Chanya, Rain Steven Nelson, Deputy CEO, Ghana Gas, husband to Justina Nelson. Justina Nelson, CEO, Minerals Income Investment Fund mikro no etini nyina okikabo mu a list no eyi sanu abofo ni do bedi ado tra ko hu ye memeti ameti ayi se oba sabe ye busua etu fi se nyame adom na his excellency aba yewra baomia na bia me nuanom omo ba ha ye ekwa na mu ni nyame nkoni ade no oba ngwa memani bibi enti sesanke ekoso now we have been doing it over the years so they should have taken the cue out of that. They made cattle out of that. See, a cat chronism, some crampo cradia, and you bet me about some George ding, some Gyamfi ding, Yababa Sambukuja to ding, Yababa can ding, because NDC mono. May I will not sit here to say, a woman yan NDC. We had the Obinia Papa woman, expect, dead don't Japoye. One more expect you, one more Mama Shisha boom. And so chronism now, all car and was them, F.A. Nearly a kufu, I don't know. And yet, I bet to work after and Pafibisio. May some
who have stood for you, and Zambians, and Zimbabweans, and Malawians, Africa against Africa. I call on the president of South Africa and your government. If you don't stop this, whatever attack, whatever you call it, you will have yourself to believe.
Sanya wontimi mfa wo fie wo nsa benkum nkyerɛ wo fie kwan no wontimi mfa wo nsa benkum so nkyerɛ bia fie kwan na mo no no ahwehwam de no on pepa ne nsa kwa nti epetiri wo enya mo ntaka wontimi sɛ NDC fo NDC grassroots enko security work wontimi sɛ nipa enko security work NDC for no aye adwumadere ama ni party aba power no untimi nsesa nko MPP ba power be sesa be nkrofo ko security work o be sesa be nkrofo ko security work na mo moteti wo wadidi ami because enyem abusiafo ni bia enyem abusiani ni bia na enye abusiafo ni mu no a mo so enyem abusiafo ni ye no ye dirty work no na mo abusiafo ane mo kwa bedi mo chine be wo hefa mo abusiafo mo kwa ni bedi mo chine be wo hefa be wai Muye boni ayefo ya monkai dabi mo nya akokɔ na mo adidi awie de mo no abetutwi fam NDC fo mpayifo mo nya akokɔ no mo adidi awie de mo no abetutwi fam ene mo kai se nipa di atam mo kai se nipa ye dirty work me go share portion ante unim nim followers ango no nim followers abedi machi because of portion ante yetu abama NDC ha followers ani bedi machi obia no ye MPP ni odi mi kofia project no ne Ghana fo pemasem nna ne me kache
owie na Felix Kwarkye Ofosu be kan say LGBT no enye priority mayen e na won so de abeto so say me mfan ahoden na wo de condemn ye tam na president Akufo-Addo tie akonwa so no sa ahoden na nkasofo Penny Lauren Tete obi ebuwo na me hwe say ka de sa ahoden be kasa a che president Mahama say obua owura eye priority ma Ghana fo. So adia na ye 20 priority 2024 then ye bedu 2026 the enye priority biom ade mo yem bisa e ho sa asem no
Peace FM.
Anano enso to ye ejiri ya papa nyame amamu anka ye nte asempa enti ye ntwen emenso ni nto na enyiri mfa ye nim time enso ni beto ato aso ti asra ban omompe contractor no no meye adwuma no na mfiri ho ye adwuma agu sese wo twa market mu a enipa nim bebre empatane gugu ha saa sese enso obetoto yesra gata na eyiri a ekum nipa ema ye boka esa ya nuama because of gata interman for jiji loans akase omo dwane because ye tata omo enti yesra tweni na behwe odona wo ba odona enwuma ahodo ana ewo odona yesra omo asa gata no omo asa dezenga bi etwa ho eno ti ama obi ye ehunu na waba beto ya de amayen sa wukokwohwe ye ho no musasia na yenyo ye ba eno ane sa ya batena te se ekunafo yesrew amampani yesrew woni wo ministers yesremo o my god no don na fo yesremo
wakotoshi wakpajo mama ke wo bi fe ni ka hwe na nu won pa me fai jo mama ke pia fe wakotoshi ye fa ye chi wo wan bi na me be cheme wadanche waba odo na 3 o'clock lonji wo nyombo jiwo ame awo mo nyomo pi wanye wa pay beni bank manager chaboshi police in chaboshi nula un chaboshi kanyombo ne be wo yefwe be no ba no fe no te won pa fai ni bi ajoleje ka wo ke ba help antone wadanche wo ka wo shika e block for 10,000 blocks. Why are you Ross? I'm a fair back a camera. I'm a George Lano poker hole. What walk I'm a fight? There's a 3 million people and a Waha Wamudiga. Sadia way, Abayo Pakai. Ah, Obin to mean Tramano Abatadia. Obinson to mean Chamunko.
One Shasa MPP are buying the sea into 1 year. What was say ya was your boy, man, I was seeing that with your movie, Yansakan. Yes, Rano, more in any, and snow bronco and a snow bronco.
MPP are buying Eddie Garlic if walk raw, ever saw a yimu, some of Gamba Gata, Nama, Ebia Mama, said a bay so to any fire. No, I feel mother and sincere Muria, Moody Chase, the boy Adama Kumaku, a storyboard and Makumaku, 2, so, and I'm never better Hesia. Modia Bejubai, Obianco, Obiama, Acroforia, no matter what to order him, no more. Ah, now Kobi Bayasa, Anka Mahama, one Anka Udo say, one Anka Udo say, Zinato away.
Civil society organizations say you muti as CSOs. Wama command penina so ewo natina Jubilee House and na kobon komo. Na and some of wamo bon komo de bura ka tia nwhi. Ba kwa man penika ya edin koma twetwe aba. Eye LGBTQ+ and the keke kan ho no. Na man penitire mu se LGBTQ+ no. Ehia de Ayasemi so Omanyi pa nia.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the
Civil society organizations say you muti as CSOs. Wama command penina so ewo natina Jubilee House and na kobon komo.
Say MPP ti ye suni ye ben yi a ye de ne nam ho adwuma ase ye adwuma ase ye nye me pacho mi bisa o ye nya power ye beba 2028 ohun abato na ye koto no enough from any ye kofa 2028 abato no e kashi akọ and that from any ye kofa it is a yan ye suban any ye lackadaisical attitude ya ye display here me pacho mi bi so ya ready for power because yan ye NDC sika wo mu pompe gu wo mu campaign mu 2024 ni ene
a wo maji go ye friends go concession ye nu first all team say 2028 election sika be wo mu papa na people for mu wo bi the youth of this country no ye ndwen wo chena biem ye fra ye na pa ho adaben de ye die wu ene ye gie dwa eno ne ye pe enti obi eni won wa ba ba dwene future obi timi ko gina adokno ne nkyinam so to waba ade
ba se o nyame kwan na ode ato ho no se wo so ye sofo na wo be ka no kura kire Ghana fo na nyame kwan todo no eda ho asofo esese muhu no kura we na mo kan na wo de ba be ye wo de be wada because wa ka se president ma ye wadamfo wo ye would be a wo ne no country musam ni